Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be organising my binder for the '80s comeback. Now, they did slightly clown us all a little bit. We have 5 photo cards per member and I collect OT8 and you only get 1 card per album, so this is gonna be fun, but the noise that this binder makes. So I am complete up until the new album they're about to release. I'm just waiting for a few cards to come in. So how I collect is I collect OT8 album cards and then anything extra like my music taste and stuff I get for Jonho. So I made all of these fillers. They're not in age order but they're in like version order. So they have 3 versions for this album and then each version has 2 photo cards except for the 3rd version, so 5 versions per member. So there's Thanks, Inception, and then Diary, which I'm not sort of entirely sure why we have a diary version. It doesn't really fit the theme, but I'm excited to see what they do, if I'm honest. I've listened to the 2 teasers and I definitely prefer Inception. It's so much nicer and so much easier to listen to. Not that I don't love Thanks, because I do. I just don't think it should be the title track. In my personal opinion, everyone's allowed an opinion. Okay, is that everything? Awesome. And they are also doing pre-order benefits from like loads of different stores this time, which I love, obviously. Can you not just tell how much I love that? Okay. So first page, we're gonna start with Thanks because I think that's the first version. So that's this version. I honestly think I'm such a big clown for even attempting OT8 for this album, but I'm gonna try. Where's the harm in trying? So moving on to the other version of Thanks. So that is the Thanks version. And then we have like Inception. Honestly, the colours for this album are just honestly perfect. I really love the packaging that they've done. I'm glad they've sort of moved on from their current packaging. I'm glad we've come out of Treasure Era. As much as I loved Treasure Era, it was time for something different. But unfortunately we have a damn slip cover this time. Slip covers will be the death of me. I hate them, honestly. Please stop doing slip covers. And that is the Inception version. It seems like all of the cards with this album are AR cards, which I didn't expect actually. I'm happy about it, obviously, but I didn't expect them to be like that. Not many groups have done all AR cards. Actually, has any group done all AR cards? I know IZ*ONE and like Victon and a few other groups have done like an AR set for their albums, but correct me if I'm wrong, obviously. but I haven't seen any groups do like all AR cards, I think. And that is the final version of the OT8 sets I'm doing. Moving on to Jongho. Now I am going to rearrange this like a little bit. So I'm going to take action to answer out. And then do this. Take these out. And then I'm going to take this Jongho and put it here. And then pop episode fin here. Like that. And then have another page. And then, so what I'll do is have my music taste card here, here, and here, and then have these two sort of pre-order cards there. So I think there are 4 places you can get pre-order cards from for this album. There's My Music Taste, K-Town For You, and Apple Music and Tokopedia. I'm not getting the Tokopedia one just because I don't know how, if I'm honest, and I can't see any group orders for it. So I'm just gonna get the Apple Music, K-Town For You, and MMT ones. Like that. Okay, that works. Like that. Okay. Bit of a flick through. And like this. That's Thanks. And then Inception. And then the Diary. And then Baby Jongho. Like this. Okay, I kind of like that actually. And that is everything for this video. It was a little short, a little quiet. I haven't been feeling myself a lot recently, but I really wanted to film this video, so thank you for watching.